Today we're going to look at the sweep tool. So for the sweep tool, we're going to create a path and then we're going to create a shape to follow along the path. So let me show you what I mean. I'm going to need to create two sketches. The first sketch is going to be the path, and I'm going to put that on the front view. And this time I'm going to use a different tool. It's called the spline tool. And I'm going to make sure when I create the spline, which is a curvy line, that it goes through the origin. Okay, so let's select that again. Spline, and I'm going to click and click and click. I'm going to go through the origin. I'm going to click, and when I'm done, I'm going to double click, and then the line will turn blue. I'm going to escape out of this tool, and just know at any of these points, you can adjust your spline. Okay, so let's save that. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a sketch on my top view. And the sketch that I'm going to create on my top view needs to intersect. Okay, this time I'm not going to move to the top view. I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to create a circle on my origin. Okay, I need a point that both sketches intersect. Okay, so when I look at this, I'll see that my spline is on one plane and my circle is on another plane. Okay, so let's choose the sweep tool. Choosing the sweep tool, it's going to ask me what face I want to sweep along that line. So I'm going to choose the circle, and then it's going to ask me what path I want. And I'm going to choose the path. And when I do that, it creates a circular sweep. Okay, so let's see if we can make that a little bit more interesting looking. Okay, I'm going to come into the menu and I'm just going to delete my sweep. Okay, I'm going to go back to my sketch 2. Okay, so I'm going to go back to sketch 2 and I'm going to add a rectangle into this sketch, just extending a little bit beyond my circle. Okay, I'm going to go back to the sweep tool and I'm going to click on the faces that I want to include. So I'm going to include all of these faces, and then I'm going to click on sweep path and choose the path that I would like that shape to follow. And when I look at this, instead of being a round sweep, it is now a sweep that's in the shape of the circle with the rectangle.